Hey everyone, this is Marge again from Handmade, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this easy velvet scrunchie. You will need a velvet yarn or any type of yarn you wanted, 4mm hook, a pair of scissors, and an elastic string, of course. The first thing that we are going to do is a slip knot. So I already made a tutorial on how to make a slip knot. Please do watch the video if you're a beginner in crocheting so that you'll have an idea on how to make it. Make sure it's not too tight or too loose. And then you're going to get your elastic band. Make sure you put your elastic band under your hook and your yarn, and then after that you're going to yarn over, not in at the back, it should be on the front of your elastic band, and then make a single crochet. So for this part, for this row, you're going to make a single crochet all the way around of the elastic band. Actually, I didn't count the stitches of this because it depends on the elastic band, on the size of it, on how big it is. So you'll just have to make a single crochet all the way around. Make sure that the single crochets are not too far from each other because you don't want to see any gaps on your final output or your scrunchie. So you can pause this video and complete your single crochet all the way around, and then get back to me once you're done. So I'm done making the first row of this scrunchie, and I leave some space so that I can show you how to finish your first row. So you'll just have to continue single crocheting, and then after that you're going to make or to do a slip stitch on the very first single crochet of your first row. So after you made the slip stitch, you're going to make a chain of 2, and then that will be considered as your first double crochet. So once you created your chain 2, you're going to make 2 double crochet on the next stitch, and then the pattern will be 2 double crochet and then 3 double crochet and then 2 double crochet and then 3 double crochet, so that you will get that ruffle look of your scrunchie. So on the first part of the second row, I'm trying to hide the tail of the yarn so that it won't be visible once you're done with your scrunchie. This is my effective way of hiding the tail of my yarn. Continue making double crochet until you reach the end of the row, and make sure you hide the tail of your yarn as well. So I'm almost done with my scrunchie. I'll just have to make one last pattern with my last 2 stitches, and then once you're done double crocheting all the stitches, you're going to connect your work using a slip stitch. So make sure to do a slip stitch on top of your first double crochet, and then I'm going to do chain 1 and make 3 more single crochet just to be secured. And then once you're done with your 3 single crochet, you're going to secure, make a slip stitch and lock your work. And then once you're done with that, you can now cut your yarn using your scissors, of course. And there you have it. You now have your easy velvet scrunchie. It's very easy to make. You just have to use 2 stitches, which is a single crochet and a double crochet. You just have to hide the tail of your yarn. It depends on how you wanted to hide it. I actually just do that way so that it will be hidden on the bottom part or inner part of the scrunchie. So thank you so much guys for watching again my tutorial. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you'll get notified on my next videos. Please comment down below as well your video suggestions, and I will see you next time. Bye!